Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? We are given f of x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals x minus x squared. And how can we find f of x? We have this quadratic domain. Only what we need is f of x, where x is a member of real number. You can pause this video and give it a try. Let's see how we solve this step by step. First is, if I consider the solution, then let's say we have x squared minus 2x plus 1. This also can be written as x minus 1 raised to the power of 2 to make it easy. So by taking it back into the function, we have f of x minus 1 squared equals x minus x squared. Let's call this one equation 1. And consider this as the first step. Looking at the second step, let's say I try to factor the right hand side, which is x minus x squared. If I factor it, we are going to have x minus x squared equals x into bracket of 1 minus x. And again, this is still the same thing as, suppose I want to start with x squared, I can take out negative and we have x squared minus x, which the whole of this still give us minus x into bracket of x minus 1. Any of this is still the same. And after getting this, if I take it back into the functions, we then have f of x minus 1 squared equals minus x into bracket of x minus 1. So let's use this one. Now on getting this, suppose I call this one equation 2, and the next step, if I let u equals the whole of this, which is x minus 1 squared, let's make this x the subject of the formula. Note that both u and x are members of real number. If I make x the subject of the formula, to do that, I take the square root of both sides. By squaring both sides, taking the square root of both sides, we have x minus 1 equals plus or minus the square root of u. And taking 1 to other side, x gives us 1 plus or minus the square root of u. Then, suppose I take this thing back to equation 2, we are going to have f of u equals minus, we are going to have f of u equals minus x into bracket of x minus 1. But x is given as 1 plus or minus square root of u. So let's try and replace it. We have f of u equals minus open bracket 1 plus or minus square root of u. And again, we have 1 plus or minus square root of u minus 1. At this point, plus 1 and minus 1 cancelled. Then we have plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. And here we have minus open bracket 1 plus or minus square root of u open bracket plus or minus square root of u. And if I try to, if I take the whole of this to this side, we have it becomes minus, we multiply plus, that gives us minus, and minus multiplied by minus become plus, and plus and minus here, so this gives us, we are going to have, let's say, if I don't want to do that, I can also recall, rewrite this in form of minus plus square root of u into bracket of 1 plus minus square root of u. And again, the whole of this becomes plus or minus square root of u minus square root of u. So minus u, because when square root of u multiplied by square root of u, this gives us u. And this is the result of f of u. And then moving on, so since this is what we get, if you consider the step 4, there are two cases here. For the case 1, what we get first is if x equals 1 plus square root of u, then we're going to have to substitute back as f of u equals minus open bracket 1 plus square root of u, then multiply by square root of u. And the whole of this gives us minus square root of u minus u. And again, for the case 2, we have if x equals 1 minus square root of u, we are going to have f of u equals minus open bracket 1 minus square root of u multiplied by minus square root of u. And the whole of this gives us square root of u minus u. There are two functions that we got. A is the first one and A is the second one. But which of this one is the real solution that we need? So this shows that this is not a one-to-one function because we get two different outputs. But we have to verify which of these satisfy. Let's try to check for both cases. From the given question, we have f of x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals x minus x squared. Suppose we have x equals to 2, definitely u will be equals to 1. And let's try to verify. So if you have f of, this becomes 2 squared minus 2 into bracket of 2 plus 1 equals 2 minus 2 squared. And this cancelled. We have only f of 1 equals minus 2. So this is where we get that u equals to 1 when x equals to 2. And we have minus 2. Again, let's substitute into the first one, which is f of u. For f of u, which is f of 1, equals minus square root of 1 minus 1. And this gives us minus 2. So this is correct. And also, for the second one, if we check for if we have the second part, which is f of 1 equals square root of 1 minus 1. So this gives us 0. So this is not correct. This shows that only f of u equals square root of u minus u is not correct. So why this one is the correct answer to this. So we can now put it in a summary that for every f of x, so this equals minus square root of x minus x. So this is the solution to this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.